Tech Tip Tuesdays are back. I know Thomas did these a while back and you guys really enjoyed them, so I want to continue to build on that. Generally, they were short videos that were easy for you guys to digest, and they could cover anything from general maintenance to installs and guides to help you modify your car. So today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to add a very important safety feature to your car, whether you are tracking it a lot or you have a really high horsepower build that could possibly blow up at any time. So what we've got here is actually a combination of two different parts. The first one being this bracket. This is the Bracketeer. It's a universal fire extinguisher bracket. Allows you to mount a fire extinguisher in front of the passenger seat where it's easily accessible to the driver and still out of the way. It allows you to mount a 1 to 3 pound standard fire extinguisher or something like this. This is the Element E50 Fire Extinguisher. The 50 means that it can run for 50 seconds. They also have an E100, which runs for 100 seconds. Now, I'll run through how this works real quick. You're gonna pop the top off and then take the bottom cap and strike it against the top, and that basically lights the fire extinguisher. Kind of ironic, but that creates a chemical reaction, and then it discharges a white smoke that suffocates and helps to put out the fire. Now, with that being said, if your car is completely engulfed in flames, use your head, get out of the car, get away, make sure you're safe. The car is not worth your life. But in some cases, this can play a crucial part in helping to prevent that from happening if you are prepared to use it and get to it in time. For me, it's a no-brainer. It takes up no space whatsoever, super easy to store, so why not? I just want to have it just in case. Now, I've not actually used this before, so we're gonna go outside and do a little trash can fire and test to see how well this works, and then we'll come back inside and I'll show you guys how to mount the Bracketeer. All right, so we're outside, got a little fire going in the fire pit. Couldn't find a trash can to start a fire in. This is probably a better idea. Anyway, we're gonna see how well this works. So again, you take the bottom off, strike it against the top. I have no idea how well this works, so we're gonna find out. There you have it, guys. Super easy to use. A couple things to note. This red portion here does get super hot, so make sure you're not touching that. And if it's a super windy day out like it is today, this may struggle because it's not able to get all the oxygen away from the fire, so keep that in mind. That being said, in an enclosed engine bay, it should work great. And even in your house or garage, I'd say this is a great option to have just in case. All right, so I'm actually gonna show you how to install this on my driver's side seat that I have uninstalled on the car so you guys can get a better look at it. The actual assembly of the bracket itself is super self-explanatory. These two side brackets that have this U shape here, this is what goes on to the seat rails. And then you have the middle portion that connects everything together. And then you have the brackets that actually are going to hold the fire extinguisher. Attached to these brackets, I have 2 clamps for the Element fire extinguisher. It comes with one, but you can pick up an extra one to make this work better. Once you have everything put together, you want to slide your seat all the way back, and then you're going to take this, and this slides underneath that adjustment bar, and these 2 brackets go on top of the seat rail. Once you have that in place, you can screw in and lock up those set screws. You'll just need to lift up on the adjustment bracket here to get to those. And then once those are tight, you can get the seat back. You can tighten everything else down, and that is basically it. And there you have it, guys. It is that simple. Now, hopefully none of you guys actually have to use this thing, but like I said earlier, it's nice to have just in case. If you guys are interested in picking this up for yourself, I'll leave the links down in the description. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.